Good morning, everyone. I welcome you to the class of parts of speech. In this session, I want to give you the types of adjectives. That is the second one, adjective of quantity, and third one, demonstrative adjective. So, what is the adjective of quantity? It shows how much a thing is meant. It shows how much a thing is meant. Adjective of quantity shows how much thing of meant, how much of thing is meant. Here it shows quantity. What shows quantity? Adjective shows quantity, so that it is called adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. To know what is the adjective of quantity in given sentence, we must make a question with what? How much. We must make a question with what? How much. Is it clear? To know what is the adjective of quantity, we must make a question with what is that? How much. Come to the example. I ate some rice. I ate some rice. So here some shows quantity. Some shows the quantity. Is it clear? So take the how much. Make a question with how much. How much? How much rice did I eat? Some. Answer is some. So some is called adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. So what is the place of adjective? Adjective is used before the noun. Used before the noun. So rice is noun and some is called what is that? Adjective. This shows quantity, so it is called adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. What is the difference between number and quantity? So number we can count it, but here quantity we can measure. We can measure. So next one, he showed much patience. He showed much patience. How much patience? Much patience. Much is called adjective because it shows quantity. Patience is noun. Patience is a noun. Is it clear? How much patience is showed? Much. Is it clear? Next one, she has a little intelligence. How much intelligence has she? Or does she have? Does she have? What is that? Little. Little we can measure, but we can't count. We can't count. So how much intelligence she has? Little. Little is called adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. And here it's a noun, intelligence, and little is called adjective. Little is called adjective. Is it clear? The next one, you have no sense. What kind of sense? Sorry. How much sense you have? Or do you have? No. No sense. Okay, here no is called what is that? Adjective. Sense is called noun. Sense is called noun. Sense is called noun, so that what is no is called adjective. It shows quantity, so that it is called adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. Next one, I lost all my wealth. I lost all my wealth. I lost all my wealth. Wealth is called noun. So all is called what is that? Adjective, because all is before noun. All is before noun. All shows what is quantity. All shows quantity. I think there is a little difference between the quantity and number. Quantity and number. So these same adjective can be used in number also. Here, how can we use? I met some boys. I met some boys. Here, boys can be counted, but rice will not be counted. Will not be counted. So it shows quantity. Boys shows number. Boys shows the number. There some is called there some boys. Some boys, here some is called adjective of number because it shows number. But here adjective is called adjective of quantity because it shows quantity. Is it clear? So same thing. Here no person. There is no person. Person, what is that? Person can be counted, but sense will not be counted. It shows a measure, or it shows some measurement. or it can be measured. It can be measured. I think it is clear. Adjective of quantity. The next one is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective. Demonstrate means a point out. Demonstrative, what is that? Point out or particular, to refer particular thing or particular person. Here it is used. What is used? Demonstrative adjective is used to point out person or thing. Point out person or thing. So to know what is the demonstrative adjective in the given sentence, we must make a question with what is the which. We must make a question with what? Which. Come to the example. This boy is stronger than Hari. This boy is stronger than Hari. So what is the adjective here? This is called adjective. This is called adjective because adjective is before the noun. The boy is noun. So this is called what is that? Adjective. And the word this is used to point out the boy. This word is used to talk about a particular person. So this is called what is that? Adjective. This is called adjective, and this is called demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective. This boy. This boy is stronger than Hari. This boy is stronger than Hari. And here one more example is there. That boy is industrious. Who is industrious? Or which is industrious? That boy. Or which boy is industrious means that boy. Okay, that boy. Here that is called adjective of demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective because boy is noun. Because boy is a noun. Next, these mangoes are sour. Which mangoes are sour? These mangoes, not those. Okay, these is called adjective of demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective. And those rascals must be punished. Okay, which rascals must be punished? Those rascals, not these rascals. Is it clear? Here, this, that, these, those are called demonstrative adjective because these are used to point out particular person, used to talk about particular person or particular things. So these are called what is the demonstrative adjectives. And one more example is there. He hates such things. Which what does he hate? Or which kind of things he hates? Such things. What is that? Such things. Such is called demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective. Is it clear? Demonstrative adjective. I think just to go back to the previous lesson, demonstrative pronoun. Types of pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. What is a demonstrative pronoun? A pronoun which is used to point out a particular person or particular thing. Same things are used as a pronouns without using the nouns. For example, this is my pen. This is my pen. Here, this is called a demonstrative pronoun. DP nothing but demonstrative pronoun. Here, there is only this. There is nothing now. There is no noun here. When there is a noun along with a demonstrative pronoun, that is called demonstrative adjective. When there is a only pronoun, this, that, those, these, such is called what is that? Demonstrative pronoun. When there is a noun along with these demonstrative pronouns, those are called demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective. Is it clear the difference between demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjective? I will give you one more example. These are my classrooms. These are my classrooms. These are my classrooms. Here, these is called demonstrative pronoun, not demonstrative adjective, because there is only. These can be used as alone. It is a pronoun. So it is a pronoun. It is called demonstrative pronoun. When there is a noun along with this, these rooms are dirty. These rooms are dirty. Here, these is demonstrative adjective because there is a rooms. There is a word called room. There is a word room. Is it clear? This is the difference between demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative adjectives can be used along with the nouns. These adjectives can be used to point out person, particular person or particular thing. Is it clear? To know what is the demonstrative pronoun adjective in the given sentence, we must make a question with what? Which. Okay, I hope it is clear to all. We will meet in the next session. Thank you very much.